Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the phone is unlocked, charged, and not actively installing updates. That prevents interruptions. Next, go directly to Settings and open Wallpaper and Style or Samsung themes, depending on your One UI version. If you previously installed a third-party launcher, switch back to the stock Samsung launcher so theme assets are accessible. Once done, you'll see Applied Themes and Options. That's where you'll remove the unwanted theme. Make sure you have no important home screen shortcuts pending. You now remove the active theme, open Themes or My Stuff and locate the theme flagged as applied. Tap it, then choose Revert, Remove, or Apply Default to restore the system look. This clears wallpapers, icons, and accent colors that the theme changed. If the theme included an icon pack or font, make sure to uninstall or switch those separately to avoid mixed visuals. Once removed, confirm home screens and lock screen look normal before proceeding to final cleanup steps. Finish by clearing the theme app cache in Settings Right Arrow Apps Right Arrow Themes Right Arrow Storage. This removes leftover assets. Then restart the phone to enforce system defaults and check every screen. If icons or widgets still look wrong, uninstall the theme app or reset home screen layout. Troubleshooting tip: if changes persist, boot into safe mode to check for interfering apps. Uninstall any recent theming or icon apps, and then reboot. That isolates causes and returns your phone to a clean state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.